The following question was asked in the UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2025. Consider the following statements about activated carbon. Statement 1 says that activated carbon is a good and attractive tool to remove pollutants from effluent streams and remediate contaminants from various industries. Statement 2 claims that activated carbon exhibits a large surface area and has strong potential for absorbing heavy metals. Statement 3 states that activated carbon can be easily synthesized from environmental wastes with high carbon content. Now, the question asks, which one of the following is correct in respect of these statements? Let's break it down. First, what is activated carbon? Activated carbon is a highly porous form of carbon with an enormous surface area. It's known for its excellent adsorption capabilities, especially for removing pollutants from air and water. Now, let's look at its properties. It has a large surface area, is chemically stable, and is extremely effective at absorbing organic compounds and heavy metals. How is it made? Activated carbon is typically produced from carbon-rich materials like coconut shells, wood, or even agricultural and environmental waste. These materials are carbonized and then activated to enhance their porosity. And finally, its applications include water purification, air filtration, gold recovery, and even medical use in detoxification. So, is statement 1 correct? Absolutely. Activated carbon is widely used to clean up industrial effluents. What about statement 2? Yes, it is also correct. The large surface area and strong adsorption potential are precisely why activated carbon is effective. And statement 3? Also correct. It can be synthesized from carbon-rich environmental waste, making it cost-effective and sustainable. But now comes the twist. Which of these statements actually explain why statement I is true? Statement 2 explains the effectiveness of activated carbon, so it directly supports statement 1. Statement 3, on the other hand, explains how it is made, not why it works. So the correct answer is option B. Both statement 2 and statement 3 are correct, but only one of them, statement 2, explains statement 1. That's your answer. Option B is correct.